Welcome to my channel Passion Food and Health. Today we are discussing the top 10 foods for kidney and liver health. The best food for your kidney and liver health. Maintaining kidney and liver health is essential for overall well-being. Here are some of the best foods that can help support the health of your kidney and liver. Number 1, berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and cranberries are rich in antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and protect the kidney and liver from damage. Strawberries protect the kidney and liver from damage. Cranberries also reduce inflammation and protect the kidney and liver from damage. Number 2 is fatty fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve overall kidney and liver function. Today we are discussing the best foods for kidney and liver function. Fatty fish contain omega-3 fatty acids, can help reduce inflammation and improve kidney and liver function. Fish is very beneficial for kidney and liver health. Maintaining kidney and liver health is essential for overall well-being. We are discussing some of the best foods that can help support the health of your kidney and liver. Berries and fatty fish is one of them. From my channel Passion Food and Health. Number 3 is leafy greens. Leafy greens, vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with antioxidants and fibers that can support kidney and liver health. Kale, spinach, leafy greens packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients, very beneficial for kidney and liver health. Use on daily basis. We are discussing the best foods for kidney and liver health. So number 4 is cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables includes broccoli, cauliflowers, Brussels sprouts. Broccoli rich in compounds that can help and detoxify the liver and support kidney function. Cauliflower and Brussels sprouts contain phytonutrients rich in compounds that can help detoxify and support kidney function. We are discussing the best foods for your kidney and liver health. Berries, fatty fish, mackerel, sardines, salmons, leafy greens, spinach, collard greens, and cruciferous vegetables. Number 5, garlic. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that can help protect the liver from damage and support kidney function. Use garlic on daily basis. Very beneficial for kidney and liver health. Use garlic in any form is very beneficial for your health. Turmeric is spice with anti-inflammatory properties. Help can reduce inflammation and kidney and liver. The number 6 is turmeric. Number 7 is nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, almond seeds, chia seeds are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that can support kidney and liver health. Almonds also rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that can support kidney and liver health. Very important for your daily routine: nuts and seeds, chia seeds, almonds, walnuts, cashew nuts. Number 8 is whole grain. Whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats are very important for your kidney and liver health. Today we are discussing the best food for kidney and liver health. Whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, and oats are high in fiber nutrients that can help promote kidney and liver function. Quinoa is very beneficial for human health. We are discussing the best foods for kidney and liver from my channel Passion Food and Health. Nuts and seeds, whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. Nuts and seeds, almond and seeds like chia seeds, pumpkin seeds, cashew nuts, brown rice are high in fiber nutrients and promote kidney function and liver function. Very beneficial for kidney and liver health. The number 9 is water. Staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health as it helps the kidney flush out toxins and waste products. Water help the kidneys flush out toxins and waste products. Drinking an adequate amount of water, almost 18 glasses in summer, is essential for optimal kidney and liver function. Drink plenty of water on daily basis, 18 glasses on daily basis, to stay hydrated and help kidney to perform its function better. Last is olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy source of monounsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats that can help reduce inflammation and support the health of kidney and liver. Olive oil is very beneficial for your kidney, for your liver, and for your heart. Very beneficial, olive oil. By incorporating these foods in your diet and maintaining healthy lifestyle, you can help support the health of your kidney and liver. It is also important to limit the intake of processed food, sugar, salt, and alcohol, as these can have a negative impact on kidney and liver health. Watch my channel Passion Food and Health for such an amazing videos. Passion, Food and Health. Thank you very much.